All right, so to begin this dance, we're gonna hitch this right foot across our body. So that's hitch, touch down, don't put weight on that one, flick behind, and then step on it. From here, we're gonna do 2 sailor steps, first on the left, so that's back, out, and then on the right, back, out. With counts, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. All right, this next 8 count has a lot of small counts in it, small beats, small movements that happen over this 8 count. So this right foot is going to cross behind, cross, there's a hold. We're going to do a syncopated weave to the right. So that's step, cross, into a heel jack, and heel, hold, and cross, hold. So that with counts, nice and slow, is 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. All right, putting those two together, 5, 6, 7, 8, hitch, down, flick, step, sailor, step, back, hold, and cross, and heel, hold, and cross, hold. Let's do that with counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. All right, for our third 8 count, we are starting crossed with our right over our left. We're going to do one more and cross, another hold. Then we step forward and touch that right foot back. Step back and present your right heel. Do it again, step forward and touch, and then step back and kick. That kick is going to center us to our 9 o'clock wall. The touches and heels have been on a diagonal, and then that kick centers us to 9 o'clock. And then from here, we're going to end this 8 count with a coaster step. All right, let's do just that 8 count. I'll do it with the steps, and then we'll add the counts. 5, 6, 7, 8, and cross. Hold and touch and heel and touch and kick, coaster step. With counts. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. All right, let's add it to the top. 5, 6, 7, 8, hitch, down, flick, step, sailor, step, back, hold and cross, and heel, hold and cross, hold and cross, hold and touch, and heel and touch, kick, coaster step. Let's do all that with counts, and then we'll finish it out. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. To finish this one out, the last 8 count is actually pretty simple. We're just going to do 2 wizard steps. So that's step, lock, and step, lock, and then 2 half pivots. Step, turn, turn. Your weight is now on your left. You're ready to hitch and start over. With counts, just to lock it in, we're going to do 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Hitch, down. All right, let's do the whole thing from top to bottom. 5, 6, 7, 8. Hitch, down, hitch, step, sailor, step, back, hold and cross, and heel, hold and cross, hold and cross, hold and touch, and heel and touch, kick, coaster step, step, lock and half, turn, hitch. All right, one more time with counts. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good. All right. There's a tag that happens after wall 1, wall 2, and wall 6. So I'll show it to you facing this direction just so you can see it. So to begin, you're just going to walk slowly. So you're going to take a step and a step, and then we're going to dig our knees into the ground. So we're going to go knee, knee, knee. On that last beat, we're going to flick that right foot behind us. Okay, so that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From here, we're going to rock forward across our body for rocking chair, rock back, and then you're going to walk in half a circle, walk, 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 walk. While you're doing that, that's the part where he says, I can make your hands clap, and then it claps. So we're going to do walk, recover, back, recover, clap, 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 clap. Okay, so it should be with counts. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7 step. The last bit of this tag, you do the exact same thing, which gets you back again. Rock, recover, back, recover, clap, 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 step. So the whole tag from top to bottom, 5, 6, 7, 8, walk, walk, knee, 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 flick, rock, recover, back, recover, clap, 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 rock, recover, back, recover, clap, 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 clap. And then you start into the next wall. All right, there is one modification that happens on wall 4 and wall 8. So you're going to start those walls facing 9 o'clock, but when you get to the last 8 count, where the wizard steps start, you're going to do one right wizard step like normal, so step, lock, and then the other wizard, you're just going to do a step, lock, and hold for the rest of that 8 count. And then you're ready to start over with hitch and step. Okay, so just the end of that is 5, 6, 7, 8, step, lock, and step. Hold, 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 hitch, step, flick, step. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you try it out, and I'd love to see it if you do. Make sure to tag me on Instagram or YouTube, and I can't wait to see it. Thanks for watching.